Okay, welcome back to Midday. Mariel Ruiz with us right now to talk about your forecast and our weather alert day. So I would say there's a lot going on, but not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, if I didn't tell you, I mean, it just looks like a really warm, breezy day outside. Yeah.
These pop up pretty quickly.
They do pop up pretty quickly. This is a very typical springtime pattern.
Okay.
We talk about a dry line pretty often this time of the year, and that's basically our setup for today. And this is the time frame between 4 and 8 in the afternoon. The impact will be any isolated storm that develops could produce hail, but worst case scenario, our air is unstable enough to produce up to ping pong ball size hail. Winds up to 70 miles per hour. That's damaging wind. There is a low tornado threat. However, it is mainly to the northeast of DFW. What you need to do is make sure to have a way to get warnings. The WFAA app alerts you if you're on the go. We can send those alerts directly to your mobile device. And of course, WFAA Plus on your smart TV. That way we can constantly update you throughout the day. Our team of meteorologists is here all day. We do have a slight risk for severe weather. This includes more counties now. It's a level 2 out of 5. It does include Dallas, Ellis, Navarro, areas of Collin, Rockwall, Hunt County, Kaufman County to the east. Denton, Tarrant, Johnson, Hill County included in a level 1 risk. That's right around the area where these storms will initiate between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. That's exactly what this model is showing. I do want to tell you, some models keep us completely dry all day because we have a strong cap in place. But this dry line could be enough to overcome this cap. And look at this, between 4 and 5 in the afternoon, you see those storms developing. Again, Johnson, Tarrant, Denton County. As they progress towards the east, they start to get a little more energy to them. This is where we could see that hail threat. This is now around 5. It includes areas of Dallas, Collin County. Around 7, you see those storms kind of shifting more to Kaufman, Hunt County. After 7, closer to 8, you see these storms in Sulphur Springs, Mineola, portions of East Texas, Paris. And then after that, the threat does shift east of North Texas. In addition to that, we're also looking at very dry, warm, windy at times conditions. This is what leads us to a red flag warning. This goes in effect at noon, so in about 15 minutes or so, until 8 p.m. today. And it's for the ongoing drought and the dry fuels. Think of our dormant vegetation. We're getting out of those wintertime months. We have dry grass in place, low humidity during the afternoon, west wind up to 35 miles per hour. That continues to dry out our air, and high temperatures between 80 to 90. That's really a perfect recipe for wildfires to spread quickly if they start. The key word is if. We can avoid starting those. Just make sure to avoid any activities that lead to sparks. Temperatures, by the way, along our western counties, mid to upper 80s. About 85 for the high in Dallas, though, 86 in Fort Worth, upper 70s along our eastern counties. Most of the day is going to look like this. Blue skies overhead, dry conditions, just a little warm. 69 degrees right now from our Cedar Hill camera. We'll be in the mid 70s here in the next couple of hours. This afternoon in the mid 80s. This is that time frame, by the way, to be weather aware between 4 and 8. 85 degrees around 4, 81 degrees around 6. Look at our coverage. It's pretty low for our area, 20 to 30%. Again, a lot of this happens mid to late afternoon. By the time the sun sets, these storms lose their energy and we're in the clear by 10, 68 degrees. Our high temperatures stay in the 80s through Friday. This weekend, into the 70s. Friday is one of those days where I think the winds are really going to kick up, which is why we have critical fire danger along our western counties, pretty much the western 2/3 of North Texas. The highest threat for severe weather, though, over the course of the next several days will be along areas of the Midwest on Friday. That shifts to the southeast on Saturday. So if you have travel plans, that's something to keep in mind. Otherwise, we're looking pretty nice this weekend for your St. Patrick's Day weekend. Highs in the 70s, Kara.
Okay, looks good to me, yeah. This storm will not be the last time we hear about severe weather. Yes, you heard her say spring. Meteorological spring is here. And so as we get deeper, we're going to see more of this. So to make sure you're prepared, get our WFAA Plus. That's where you can find accurate, up-to-date forecast as storms move through. This is free for you to download to your TV right now.